shot. Huh? You are started. Okay. In my case, like I have updated some parts like payments. I have added a receipt number in the payment model. Earlier it was not there, so I have updated that. During the creation of report, I found that it is necessary to create a receipt number for payment as well. So I have added that and have pushed that also in the main. Apart from that, like today we discuss with the Rishikesh, and I have changed the model schema for loan as well, like made some of the changes required to not required. Apart from that, I am working on report currently, and report customer table, and that complete loan of a customer is almost ready, but like I'm struggling with something called your bounce charge and the late processing fee charge. So these two charges I am struggling, as we are creating these two charges during the creation of report when we are not saving it. So each date I need to check. Apart from that, I am also confused between this late penalty charge and bounce charge. So we'll ask Raghav on that. Yeah, it's different, but in the report, if you will see. Yeah, okay, but like sometime that is called bounce charge, I understood. But there are something called late penalty charge, which is charged. Yeah, it is charged. If you will go to the report, you will see there are some charges in the late penalty charge. LPP it is called in short, late payment penalty. A full form it is. It is not fixed. It is, you will see sometime 8 rupees, sometime 95 rupees, sometime 87 rupees. But why to skip if it is something that is required? Then we can skip the bounce charge also, because bounce charge is also taking much time to create. But like, why not to understand what is this LPP? If you know, you can tell. Then we can decide if we need to skip or keep. But I am not think you are sure, because it is not consistent. Even if there is bounce charge, no customer paid that bounce charge, but LPP is not charged. It is charged at some time later, like after 3-5 months. So if you are not sure, you can tell you are not sure. It's fine, we can find out later. No, then bounce charge also we can skip, right? It is also taking so much time in the report, because for each day as we are not saving the bounce charge, one option is to save the bounce charge. No, this thing also we should discuss here only, when to discuss these things. Because the bounce charge is also a problematic thing only in the creation of report. It's not. Yeah, that's what. So every time we need to calculate, even if the suppose someone paid the charge EMI and he's not paid full EMI, correct? Then also the bounce charge is getting calculated. So the same bounce charge. Apart from that, so like for each payment in the report creation, as we are not saving the bounce charge, you need to keep that in mind. So for each EMI payment, I need to check past complete history. Suppose he missed one time the EMI he missed on the January. Now from Feb. That's what last time we discussed. You told like to calculate on the go, not to save. Last time. And also, if you are saying we need to save the bounce charge, then also it is a thing like that the some API need to be called regularly to calculate the bounce charge and save it in the database, because no user is not going to save the bounce charge. Yeah, that's also a point. So it will take time, and I'm not like this is the thing we need to discuss only, because even if we run the API, then also that API need to go through all the data and need to check like which all because one thing is if we run the API in a regular interval, then it will check for suppose one last week. But if we missed 1 week and the second week, because if you are not sure when was the last it was called, then again we need to check from start only, like which all bounce charge is missed. And yeah, and interval here, like it can be day, weekly or monthly. So when will the bounce charge will get calculated? Suppose one day he missed, so next day only bounce charge will get calculated. And suppose one day he missed and the second day from there only from there he is paying regularly, so the next day the bounce charge will get calculated again or not, because he has not paid the complete payment yet. In your case, I say it is getting calculated. Yeah, that is not a problem, Rishikesh. Problem is different. Suppose in January someone missed the EMI, correct? If you are taking it monthly, in January he missed the EMI. In February, March he is continuing paying the. So once bounce charge got created for the month of January, now still he haven't paid the EMI for January, correct? So should we keep keep adding the bounce charges? Separate model it is getting added, but how it should be added, that we need to know, right? After how many days? If it is monthly, in Bajaj it is not first day only you add the bounce charges. After they give some period like 5 day or 15 days. After that only they add the bounce charge. 15th, okay. Hmm. Okay, so the same way, like if it is for daily interval, if it is for weekly interval, when to calculate this bounce charge? Hmm. Yeah, that's on daily basis. Like but for monthly, you are giving a grace period of 15 day, right? Yeah. Yeah, that is fine. But in monthly case, we will pay it after 15 day only. Then what about weekly? No, it's not simple calculation. Okay, for now I will. It is not sure, like it can be daily and weekly. That calculation part is having so much variable. That is the problem. For now, I'm just skipping this bounce charge because anyway it is getting calculated separately, so we will calculate it. For now, I'm just skipping this bounce charges. Maybe we will add up after some time. I'm just calculating the EMI only. Yeah, so penalty and bounce charge we are skipping. Anyway, it is calculating separately only. So it was your plan only. And for this bounce charge only, this report is stuck. Not any report is got created. Yeah, that was I was told to skip this bounce charge for now. Okay then my part is done. Anything from your side, Raja? Yeah, that is fixed now. Yeah. Yeah, you just fetch it. Yeah. Okay then. Yeah, I have added. Raghav need to update something. With me what? You update separately, not with me. Yeah, that we can always ask. Okay, then fine.